Model, 66-plate Iveco Daily 35C132.3 HDI 6-speed MAUAL twin-wheeler Luton box curtain cider tail lift. Fares OR repairs ULEZ compliant. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 164818. MOT, 12 December 2024. Engine, 2287 CCF1AE3481N. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts and runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing or replacing grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows, 2 keys, fully working tail lift. EU status, ULEZ compliant. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.